Hello, my beautiful train wrecks. This is Jill from Diamond Painting with the Edwards, and something came in the mail. I ripped the label off because obviously I don't want to show the address, but I ordered something for Tom and I, and it come from, I'm probably gonna butcher your name. I'm sorry. Ephemera 3D. And she has got an Etsy. And it's this name, Ephemera 3D. And inside of it is a hint of what is on this box. Normally, I would wait until Thomas, my most useful engine husband, to get home, my diamond painting partner in crime. But I'm not gonna, because I'm in the process of starting to work back on my hashtag Passionate in Purple 24. I am way behind because life happens. Today is the 13th, so I'm going to put this in the queue to be put on the YouTube channel so I can work with this tray. So, without further yapping my mouth, let me open it up. I'm so excited. And her and her husband is now beautiful train wrecks. Did I get that? Oh yeah, I got it. Okay, so let's see. Very excited to see what's inside. Okay. So, we have paper. Throw this in this trash can down there. And I chose an interesting color. I chose a color that I'm going to be able to see light and dark, because what are the odds that I find mini in fluorescent? So we can toss this box because it is officially empty. Let me open this. I just got a regular tray. I have my phone up here so I can tell you exactly what this is. I got the highlighter Deep 6 diamond painting tray. It's very bright yellow. It's like almost like a highlighter yellow. Love it. And we got stickers. You know we love stickers. So stickers will go on our boards. Got one for Tom and one for me. So, as you can tell by looking at the boards, you can look at the board. If I can do this right, we have stickers on our boards. Love stickers. So, that will be placed in honor on the board very soon. And Tom got move that out of the way. We don't need that. He got it looks like it will hold your pen, and then also there's a little trash pots. I don't know much about this tray. I know you can store drills in it, and I believe, I don't know, he'll have to, he looked at it more in depth than I did. But yeah, he liked it because it was rainbow and you could store drills in it, trash drills, and yeah. So that's his. I showed it off. Yay. So, yeah, we're kind of like, we don't know much about one of these other than the only thing we could figure is this unscrewed and then these drills could go down into here. So, if I am wrong, please let us know. But this looks like, I don't want to break it. I'm going to let him finagle too. But you can pull this up and you can put the stopper in to pour your drills out. Isn't that fabulous? I love that. So let me put the stopper back in so I can already have fiddled with it a little bit. So when Tom goes, I can say, oh yeah, you can do this and this and this with that. This is fabulous. So I am going to put his little stopper so I don't lose it. Will it fit that in there? Let me put this in here. I don't know. Yes, it will. I can put a stopper in there. Okay. So this is fabulous. I'm gonna put that over there. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna cover it back up so he can have the pleasure of unwrapping it too. Shh. You didn't see me unwrap this. Let me put his sticker in here. So this I can put over to the side for him. And I can decide where on the board I want to put my sticker. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I'll have to do that. But yes, let me put some diamonds in this tray. These are squares. I'm working with the square now. Oh yeah. Yes, they line up very nicely. So, let me see. Do I have any rounds around here? Yeah. Oh yeah. This comes out very nicely out of the tray. Let's see. Yes, I have some rounds over here. Pardon me a moment. I just gotta come over here real quick. And zip and... Oh, excuse me. Riches. And then let me get some of these, because these are rounds. Yes, they are. Let me put some rounds in here. Sorry, I have got this pushed back literally as far as I can push it back. I like to play dangerous. I don't put stoppers in trays. That's why I like this one. It didn't come with a stopper. Oh, wow. Look at that. It lines both rounds and squares. I love you, my beautiful train wreck. Hugs and kisses for making the most awesome tray ever. So, if you are looking, I'm sorry if I butcher it. If you are looking for a tray, ephemera, yeah, ephemera 3D. Go to Etsy, look for the cute little dog. She's out of Greenwood, Indiana. Go Hoosiers. We do more than corn and race cars in Indiana. And yes, go follow her shop, browse her items. So I'm excited to see how Tom's tray works, but I'm going to let him do that for himself. I don't want to take all the thunder from his happy day that he's going to have when he sees that that's arrived. So go over, give her some love, and comment down below if you have tried any of her products. And yeah, she's now a beautiful train wreck. So if you see her on Facebook, say hi. So with that, if you haven't joined our Facebook page and haven't requested stickers, what are you waiting for? Let's see how well this goes in. And mind you, I have not put... Oh, that went in great. I didn't even wipe it out with a dryer sheet. So yes, works wonderful. Would definitely recommend. So now I have my ephemeralda. No, I didn't say the right. Ephemeral. I'm sorry that I'm butchering your name. I have trouble sometimes with speech, and today, let me tell you, today is a bad fibromyalgia cognitive day. So I am so sorry. Ephemerella. Let me just hold this sticker up. I'm so sorry. Yes. Thank you. Go visit them on Etsy. So much joy from this tray. I don't know if you can hear it from my voice. I'm a happy little train wreck right now. So go visit them on Etsy. Wonderful tray. I dig it. I dig this color. And I don't think there's many left of these. Yes, it says it is low in stock. Go grab one. I got this one because you could do light and dark. And I'm still going to be able to see. So yeah. I think that's it. And yes, yesterday I got bit. I don't know if you can tell. I got bit by something. And now my entire arm is swollen and hivey, rashy, itches to beat the band, a little nauseous, having a kind of I overdid it kind of a day yesterday, and I am not feeling good, boys and girls, my beautiful train wrecks. I am not. But this made my day better. So, yeah, I'm going to do some diamond painting with the new tray. So, yeah, I'm excited. But, again, like, follow, share, request some stickers. Now I gotta figure out where on the board I want to stick the sticker. I want it to be a place of honor because I adore her trays. So, let's see. What could be a place of honor? So we're going to be a little dark because I moved. Let's see. Where can I put? How about I put next to the... Is it going to show? Let me show you. We're just going to figure this out right now. You know me, I'm a train wreck. Train wreck. So, I'm going to move my stand, and we can put, we have Pippi, we have another Pippi, we have Rar. Oh, maybe we should put it by Rar, because this is I think so. I think we need to put by Rar. Right there. In the corner. Right by Rar. Oh no. Gotta think about it a little bit. I want it to be of honor. Maybe there? By Pippi? I think so. I think so. Sorry, the camera angle is crazy. But I'm unsupervised. And this is what happens when I'm unsupervised. So let me just see here. Can I do it now? Can I do it now? Can I do it now? All right. Because I love putting on the board. We have space right there by Pippi. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, because if I ever want to move the sticker, I like to stick it with tape and leave the backing on. So let me just cut out this sticker. So that way if I ever want to move it, it's not permanently stuck on the board. If I decide one day to go, oh, let's forget and let's just get a table. I want to be able to move the stickers to put on my table. Like a what do they call those? A drafter's architect board? Oh yeah, I guess I gotta be able to move them. Oh, I don't know. Honeybees are very important to me, but of course there's RAR, man. That right there is Indiana. If anybody knows about Uranus, Indiana, knows. And this kind of looks like he's looking at it, welcoming the fellow Hoosier. I think I like it there. So let me see if I can find this tape, because we use tape strips. This is just going to be in all kinds. Let's just show what we can do kind of a day. There it is. This tape comes on strips. It's just strip tape. And yeah. So we're just going to put this on the board now. So I'll show you how I do it. I think, I don't know. You know, I'm just going to put right here, right by. That way it's got a place of honor on the board. And my stickers have to be, or no. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but my scissors have got to be the absolute worst scissors. So then once I get it on the board, I like to do a second covering. But yeah, these scissors are horrible. Okay, so yay, she's up on the board. They, he and she, both of them are on the board. Okay, on the board. There you are, you're on my sticker board. Yeah, there's all the stickers. So if you have a channel that has any stickers, let me know. I would love to have stickers because I've got a lot of room on this board yet. So with that, check them out. I'll butcher it one more time. Ephemera 3D. Wonderful tray. Recommend 100%. Bye. Love you guys. Hugs and kisses.